Hello Galaxy Station viewers. Time for a Casio watch teardown. You already saw a 20 years old Casio watch teardown on my channel. Now I have decided to make another. This watch model number is DB-360 and I guess the age of this watch is almost 16 or 17 years. This watch is non-operable for the past 5 or 6 years. I have lying it around on my drawer. So why not make a teardown video and try a new battery? That is all this video is all about. Let's tear it down first. There is waterproof gasket all around the back cover, and this is the watch. The whole watch assembly is in my hand. The battery compartment is in the top, and I am going to change the battery first before doing anything. This is 2025 battery. I have a replacement brand new 2025 battery on my hand. Let's try it first. Yes, the watch has been turned on. Wow, what a surprise. I didn't really expect that. A 16 or 17 years old Casio watch has been just turned on after this. Wow. Should I tear it down or not? Okay, let's take a quick peek. Now I will try to reassemble the watch in one piece. Wow, this is it. This 17-18 years old Casio watch is now working. Wow, that's wonderful. That's how good Casio watches are. Thank you for watching this video. This turned out to be a repair video rather than a tear down video, but I hope you can enjoy this video. Thank you very much.